a bad leak that had been going on for some time now. While attempting to solder the two new valves, I didn't realize that my wet hand towel wasn't keeping the plastic box cool enough. It ended up melting in a spot that I did not feel comfortable moving forward from. As a result of this and due to the excessive mold, we decided to come back after the demo crew had the wall ripped out and the floors pulled up. This way we could replace the entire box instead of making a repair on an old moldy unit. Just in case anyone is wondering, the male threads on the bottom of washing machine valves do not match the threads on a female PEX fitting. I believe it is garden hose thread. This is why you have to solder the joint. Luckily I was able to find this box that has PEX fittings pre-installed on the valves. This made for a much easier install, with no more chances of burning the wall or melting the box again. Anytime you come across polybutylene pipe, cut out as much as you can. I left enough sticking out for any future repairs if necessary. Also make sure you use the correct adapter coupling fittings and crimps to adapt it to PEX.